The law of attraction is a powerful tool for manifesting abundance, including money. By understanding how the law of attraction works and how to use it correctly, you can attract more money into your life. This video will explore some of the ways that you can use the law of attraction to manifest money. You will learn about visualization techniques, affirmations, and action steps that can help you become more successful in attracting wealth into your life. First, we need to know what is the law of attraction. How does it work? The law of attraction is the belief that positive or negative thoughts can attract corresponding experiences and outcomes into a person's life. It suggests that by focusing on positive or negative thoughts, people can bring about positive or negative results. According to this law, if you think positively, then good things will happen to you. If you think negatively, then bad things will happen. By harnessing the power of your thoughts and feelings, the law of attraction allows us to manifest our desires into reality. By changing the way we see the world, we can change our experience of life. People have been using the law of attraction for centuries to create better lives and to support their goals and endeavors. These are some examples of people who have used the law of attraction to achieve success in their lives. Jim Carrey. Jim Carrey is a famous actor and comedian who has also talked about using the law of attraction to achieve success in his career. He has said that he wrote himself a check for $10 million when he was struggling to make it in Hollywood, and he visualized himself cashing the check every day until it became a reality. Will Smith. Will Smith is a successful actor and musician who has also used the law of attraction to achieve his goals. He has said that he believes in the power of positive thinking and visualization, and that he uses these techniques to help him stay focused on his goals and to attract success into his life. Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan, widely regarded as one of the greatest basketball players of all time, has also credited the law of attraction for his success. He has said that he visualized himself making game-winning shots and winning championships long before he actually did, and that this helped him stay focused and motivated throughout his career. Next, we will explain how to use visualization techniques, affirmations, and action steps that can help you become more successful in attracting wealth into your life. Visualization techniques involve creating a mental picture of the desired outcome you want to achieve and using that image to stay focused and motivated while working towards your goal. Webster's notes that visualization involves the use of mental images to help achieve long-term goals, mindfulness meditation that helps you cultivate awareness of your thoughts and feelings by focusing on your breath as it enters and leaves your body. Affirmations are powerful tools for self-improvement and success. By repeating positive statements about yourself, you can increase your self-confidence, reshape your beliefs and create an empowering mindset that will help you reach your goals. Affirmations are easy to use, yet they can be incredibly effective in helping you develop a positive outlook on life and your ability to achieve success. Each affirmation should be repeated 20 times for optimal effectiveness. Some people like to do affirmations with a partner in order to bolster the power of their thoughts. The following affirmations will help you to get a good night's sleep. I am calm and relaxed. I am peaceful and content. My body is warm. I am comfortable and safe. My mind is calm and my body is relaxed. My days are good. I am in control of my life. All things are working out for me now. The future is bright and wonderful. Because you are so tired, your brain waves slow down and your REM sleep takes over. As a result, deep dreaming occurs more easily than when you're wide awake. Finally, taking action is essential for turning your dreams into reality. It is one thing to dream, but it is another to take action. Taking action is essential if you want to turn your dreams into reality. It often requires hard work, dedication and resilience, but the rewards can be great. Whether it's starting a business or pursuing a career in the arts, taking action can bring you closer to achieving your goals. With focus and determination, anything is possible. What are your dreams for the future? By combining all three of these tools, you can achieve any goal you set for yourself. Okay, I think some people will ask, how long does manifestation take? manifestation is the process of bringing into your life what you want to achieve or acquire. It requires a combination of positive thinking, visualization, and action in order to manifest your desired outcomes. The amount of time it takes for manifestation to occur depends on how much effort you put into it and how well you are able to stay focused on your goals. With dedication and patience, you can manifest even the most ambitious goals in a relatively short amount of time. In this video, we will explore the various factors that affect how long manifestation takes and provide some tips on how to speed up the process. Manifestation requires patience and persistence, so be sure to persevere and stay focused on your goals. The following factors can affect how long it takes to manifest something. The law of attraction is a deep subject and you seem to only have a very superficial understanding of it paired with a closed mind. The reason most people aren't excellent at it is that most people see the law of attraction as weird or hard to understand. I'll explain it below. As always, we start with the basics. The law of attraction results. I don't believe that our lives are random. I believe there is a cause for every effect and a way for every situation to work out for the best. What causes it? The universe. It has its own plan for us. But we don't always understand the way its plan actually works. That's why we need to trust in its plan, put our complete faith in it, and take the step to follow its will for our lives. I love manifesting dreams because I enjoy the feeling of understanding I receive and I am successfully able to manifest my desires. When I wake up, I feel that refreshed sense of satisfaction like I had when I went to bed the night before. When you actualize your dreams on a regular basis, it is good for your mind, body, and spirit. And if you do not focus on your dreams, or you let them slip, you may forget about them entirely. Manifesting dreams is a good thing to do and one of the easiest things to do. You are not obligated to set goals for your manifestations, but it can be extremely helpful. Because when you deepen your understanding of the law of attraction, you can start setting empowering goals for yourself that will help you achieve any goal you desire. The law of attraction is a powerful tool for creating the life you want. It can be used to manifest money and abundance into your life if you use it in the right way. Manifesting money requires a certain level of faith, focus, and action. When you combine these three aspects with following the law of attraction's principles, you can create a powerful system that will help you achieve your goals and bring more wealth into your life. With patience and dedication, anyone can manifest money using the law of attraction. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button below and share your thoughts and feedback in the comments section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can receive more useful information and the latest videos on this topic. If you have any questions about this topic or would like to provide other suggestions, please leave a comment in the section below. Once again, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.